within moments of arriving which, there's a direct bus ride from King's Cross that left me within a 2-minute walk of the hostel. I was not only checked in by a very kind receptionist, but also walked through a personal hostel tour for about 5 to 10 minutes.
A couple of the neighborhood folks who semi-regularly come round the pub are on the boisterous side, but at the end of the day, I can deal with being drunkenly screamed at once every 3 or 4 days.
The accommodations were fantastic for the price, and I felt safe and comfortable throughout my stay. By far the best part of the experience was the staff.
Facilities could have been better and cleaner in terms of the shower and toilets. They were a little grimy, offering a free dinner but then asking for a donation as everyone sat down to eat made us feel a little awkward.
This place is simply amazing. A good hostel for solo travelers. Starting with the amazing staff, most of them are volunteers who are very friendly, to the day and night activities with the hostel people, such as pub crawling, drinking games, day trips, etc.
The metal frame bunk bed I was allocated in my dorm felt quite squeaky wobbly, especially when the guy who had the top bunk got on the bed whenever he turned. Even though I had earplugs in, I could still hear people walking up down the wooden floorboard staircase like they had clogs on.